Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this question written on the screen. The real x and y satisfy simultaneously two equations in logarithm is given, then the value of xy is equal to. So guys, what is the form of first equation given to you? Log x base 8 plus log y square base 4 is equal to 5. And second equation, log y base 8 plus log x square base 4 is equal to 7. This is given to you. Now you might be wondering, sir, I have log x, but here I have log x square. Here base is 4, here base is 8. Sir, I have log y, but here I have log y square. Here base is 4, here log base is 8. So sir, how could I get, what can I make over here? Guys, we will make a common base, that is 2. Because 8 is 2 power 3, 4 is 2 power 2. Again 8 is 2 power 3 and 4 is 2 power 2. So which formula will be going to apply? Bachcho will be going to apply base changing formula. Will be going to apply base changing formula. So it can be written by me, log x base 2 divided by log of 8 base 2 plus log y square base 2 divided by log of 4 base 2 is equal to 5 it will be. Then log y base 2 divided by log of 8 base 2 plus log x square base 2 divided by log of 4 base 2 is equal to 7 it will be. Now one law of logarithm is known to all of us. I'll be going to write log x divided by 3 plus 2 log y base 2 divided by 2, because log 4 base 2 is equal to 2 we are knowing, is equal to 5 it will be. Then log y base 2 divided by 3 plus 2 log x base 2 divided by 2 is equal to 7 it will be. This 2 will be cancelling this 2, this 2 will be cancelling this 2. Now my dear students, I will be going to assume log x base 2 as a variable p over here and log y base 2 as a variable q over here. So the first equation would be written by me like p by 3 plus q is equal to 5 it will be, and this will be becoming what? Like guys, log x base 2 is assumed by me as p. So this will be becoming q by 3, because this is the value of q we are knowing, plus p is equal to 7 it will be. Now in your 10th standard you would have learned such type of thing. When coefficients are interchangeably used, the second equation can be written by me like p plus q by 3 is equal to 7 it will be. P plus q by 3 is equal to 7 it will be. So guys, there is the interchanging of coefficients. 1 by 3 and 1 is the coefficient over here, and 1 in 1 by 3 is the coefficient over here. So we could write like p by 3 plus q is equal to 5 we know. P plus q by 3 is equal to 7 we know. So p by 3 plus p will be what? 4p by 3. Then q plus 4q by 3 will be what? 4q by 3 is equal to 12 it will be. So once I'll be going to add these two equations, then I'll be going to subtract these two equations. So p by 3 plus q by 3 will be becoming what? 3 only. I have divided throughout by 4. Then p plus q will be becoming what? 9 it will be becoming, sir. So this is very important equation we got. Guys, this was your first equation, this was your second equation, and this is the third equation I got. Now we'll be doing what? P by 3 plus q is equal to 5 we are knowing. Then p plus q by 3 is equal to 7 we are knowing. Subtract these two equations. So I'll be getting minus 2p by 3. Q minus q by 3 is 2q by 3 is equal to minus 2 it will be. So p by 3 minus q by 3, I have divided it throughout by minus 2, so it will be 1. That means p minus q is equal to 3 it will be. Hope you guys would have got my point. So this is fourth expression. I would be going to write it over here. Now solve the fourth and third equation. So 4p plus q is 9 we are knowing. P minus q is equal to 3 we are knowing. So 2p is equal to 12 it will be becoming. So p is equal to 6 it will be becoming. Now we may use third expression to get the value of q as 3 it will be. That means log x base 2 is equal to 6 we are knowing. And log y base 2 is equal to 3 we are knowing. Let it be the third, fourth we wrote, the fifth expression. Let it be the sixth expression. So fifth expression would be yielding x is equal to 2 to the power 6 over here. Sixth expression will be yielding y is equal to 2 to the power 3 over here. What has been asked to you? Xy is asked to you. 2 to the power 6 multiplied by 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 9 it will be becoming. So which would be the right answer for this question? Guys, the right answer for this question would be becoming option A over here. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.